Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic sausage rolls. You will need 6 sausages or a pack of sausage meat, 1 pack of puff pastry, 1 egg, 3 to 5 garlic cloves and some plain flour. Firstly, take the casings off of your sausages and put your sausage meat into a bowl. You can just use plain sausage meat, which you don't need to remove the casings of, but I find to buy sausages is actually cheaper than to buy a pack of sausage meat. Then you want to press your garlic cloves through your garlic clove presser. If you want to finely chop them instead, you can do, just be careful when you're finely chopping them. I just find that pressing them just makes it mix a little bit better. I used 5 garlic cloves for my recipe that I'm doing today, but if you don't want it quite that garlicky, you can put 3 in instead. Then mix in the garlic with the sausage meat, and then once it's all mixed, just pop your mixture to one side. Then roll out your puff pastry. You want a long rectangle. You don't want to roll it out too thin, but you don't want it too thick either. Then cut your rectangle in half lengthways, and then we will make 2 tubes of sausage rolls. Then simply place your sausage mixture into the middle of the rectangles. Then, having beaten your egg, use your beaten egg mixture to brush one side of each sausage tube. Then fold over the pastry to encase the sausages into the pastry and press down. Then just using a fork, press down on that edge. Not only does it make it stick a lot better, but it looks a lot nicer too. Then chop your sausages into the size of the sausage rolls that you want. I was making bite-sized miniature sausage rolls, but you can make them longer if you wanted to make full-size sausage rolls. Then place the sausage rolls onto a pre-lined baking tray. Then, using the rest of your egg mixture, you want to just brush the top of the sausage rolls with it. That will give it a nice coating after it's cooked. Then, in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 degrees fan assisted. Bake them for about 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make garlic sausage rolls.